Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this video, I would like to share how I use AI applications or AI tools to learn more effectively. So yesterday I shared this post in the Facebook group, the World of Academia group, about my daily routine, how I keep up to date with various topics. So I love to read blogs, watching YouTube videos every day. So, for example, when I watch YouTube or read blogs, I like to make mental notes. And then now with AI tools, my routine now, I I will get AI tools to give a summary, and then I can compare the summary with my own summary or my own mental notes. So I find it very effective, very helpful, very useful to help me digest or internalize the content more effectively. So in terms of retaining the information and improve, enhance the understanding is really good. So I got a few questions from our friends in the Facebook. How actually I use what kind of tools? Previously in my previous post, I shared one. There are a few tools a few AI tools which we can use to summarize articles or summarize YouTube video. Um, previously, I have used Merlin. Let me jump to YouTube now. So I have a YouTube video. So let's say I've watched the video. I have made my own mental notes. So I can use previously I used Merlin, which is very good. Here this actually you can install as a Chrome. I'm not sure whether it's a Chrome extension. If you go to, let's say, Merlin Chrome, yeah, Chrome extension. It is a Chrome extension which you can install. Okay, so as you can see here, when you go to Chrome Web Store, search for Merlin AI chatbot, and then you can install. In my case here, remove from Chrome because I have installed it. So Merlin is actually very good. You can get a transcript for the whole video, minute by minutes. Then you can also copy the transcript. You can get the text file, or you can also download as a SRT file or plain text. Yeah, and you can also jump to any. For example, now if I jump here at this particular minute, I can get the transcript by clicking here. So it will jump exactly to the particular point in the video. Then you can get a transcript. So very useful. But using Merlin, you can get a summary through ChatGPT. So you must have your ChatGPT open or sign in. Then you can click here, view AI summary. Then it will take you to ChatGPT. So it doesn't give the summary on the YouTube page. So for example here, it will write this instruction and then the whole transcript. Then you get a summary here. The problem is if the video is very long, maybe more than 20 minutes, probably you won't be able to get a summary because ChatGPT has a limit for the number of characters, the characters in the text. So you might not be able to get a summary for a longer video, long video longer than 20 minutes. That's the problem. But with another, my favorite AI tools now is this one. You can see it here on my Chrome bar here, HARPA.ai. So this is also a Chrome browser extension. So if you go to Chrome Web Store again, you can search, or you just Google directly, HARPA AI Chrome extension. So you can see here, HARPA AI Chrome extension. Then go to the Chrome Web Store again, and then you can install. Again, in my case, Here I have installed, so the button changed to remove from Chrome. Okay, so once you have installed, maybe if you don't have many extension like me, then you will see the extension right there on the Chrome bar. But if you don't see it, you go to here, this icon here, extension, then you just scroll through it. As you can see, I have so many Chrome extension installed. Okay, so you will see it listed here, and then just pin the extension so that it will appear on your Chrome bar, so that you can access it with one click. So when you watch, in this case, watch a YouTube, all you need to do now, you click here, HARPA AI, and then in my case here, because I have done the summary, so if I refresh, let's say I refresh again. So you go to HARPA, and then, oh, the summary is still there, never mind. You just type slash forward slash, then you can see there are so listed here many different things you can do. I'm not going to explain one by one here. I haven't used all. I have used two or three here, but the one that is relevant now, you want to get a summary for this YouTube video, is this one, summary. Okay, summarize the entire page content into a list of takeaways. The one here is YouTube video summary. I think you can use this one or this one. This one is more specific. So just choose YouTube video summary, and within seconds, magic will happen. You can see uh, Harpa AI will give you in the form of bullet points, the summary, the key points from the video. It's amazing, wonderful. So all you need to do now is to read the summary. If you like, you can copy and put it in your notes somewhere. And I will read the summary and compare with my own some mental notes or my own summary. So imagine how useful this one as a learning tool, and for our own learning. And I think we should teach this to our children, to our students, so that they can use the AI tool in a more effective way to help them learn more effectively. And the same thing if you read, for example, if you read a blog, my favorite is Medium or any website. You go to Medium, um, and you just pick up read any read any article. Okay, so you read the article, make your own mental notes. You can highlight and so on. So it's quite a long article here. And then all you need to do, if you want to get Harpa to summarize, again, go here, forward slash, then in this case, summary, this one, you can choose this one, summary, summarize the entire page content into a list of takeaways. You can also get a extended summary if you like. So let's take this one first. And again, the magic will happen within a few seconds. It will give you the key points. And my observation, the key points summarized by Harpa, really pick up the important point, the real key points from the article is wonderful. Um, and if you like to get a extended summary, again, forward slash, and get an extended summary. Okay, so it will write the instruction, then press return, then it will give you more expanded or extended summary. Amazing, right? All right. So I think that's about all. Very briefly, something that I want to share with you. how we can use this HARPA AI to help us summarize blog articles or anything that we read on the internet, and also to summarize YouTube video. I don't know about you, but I find this very, very useful and really make me excited to learn anything by using AI to help me. Okay, so that's about all. I hope I have given value for your time watching this video, and please share the video, please share the tools with everyone, so that we can a lot of people will benefit from this. And please also, if you find this video useful, I'm going to do more of this on this channel now, the World of Imagination. So if you like, you can subscribe and click the bell so that you can get notification for new videos. All right, so have a nice day, everyone. Assalamualaikum.